How to remove highlights in Adobe Acrobat PDFs. Okay, so we have got a PDF here. Maybe someone sent it to you or it's enthusiastically highlighted. Not quite what you need, right? Want to clean it up and get rid of this yellow or pink, whatever color you have. Right now mine is pink. The process is super easy. Let me show you how. Obviously, the first thing you need to do is open your PDF and get ready. And once we insert the PDF, to tap on it, you will see three options right over there. The first one is comment, second one is color, and third one is delete. So what you have to do in order to delete or remove the highlight is simply tap on delete right over here. And tada, you have successfully removed the highlight from your Adobe Acrobat PDF. Wasn't that very easy? Okay, now the highlight is gone. Do that for other highlights you want to get rid of. Easy peasy, right? That's it. Now you have a clean PDF unwanted highlights. Give it a try yourself right now. Let me know in the comments if you found this helpful. And if this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.